other dancers. And in that interview, Alice underscored the fact that what she wanted for a dance company is not one company that does one thing, but several genres. And through the years, Alice has stuck to that vision even up to now, how that is ARDB. So the lineup of numbers we have for this show is exactly what Alice envisioned. Because we have 7 dances by 7 different choreographers, and each has its own genre. And I want to start off with telling you about the choreographers, because each choreographer has his own signature move, his own genre. So let me start with Norman Walker, who did songs of a Wayfarer. He's a renowned choreographer of over 245 pieces and has Ballet Philippines under the leadership of Alex and Marty Smith. And alongside his own company, Geoffrey Hartnett's Boston Ballet, National Ballet of China, Bachelor Ballet, Adelphi Dance Center, and many others the world over. So you see his number in the program, Songs of the Wayfarer. Then we have Augustus or Pam Galian, who is a former member of Ballet Philippines during Alex's time began. And he left the Philippines in 1984 and became principal dancer at the Kiel State Theater, the Gantenplatz Theater in Germany, soloist for the Bejart Ballet in Lausanne, and principal dancer for Bern State Theater, Ballet Arts Francois, Klaus in Switzerland. And upon his return, he became the artistic director of Ballet Philippines, and he still continues to do more works. And for this show, he's doing a world premiere of Silas, meaning It's the Company, which he dedicated very nicely to the company members, who he really loves. Then we have Denisa Reyes, who's also a former Ballet Philippines artistic director, and she's best known for her biggest contribution to contemporary modern dance by her introduction of the Neo-Filipino dance series, which became a valuable platform for choreographers to make dance a central force through collaborations with other art forms. She herself has choreographed numerous pieces in most genres, including classical, and is the recipient of the Outstanding Award for Dance with a Lifetime Achievement Award and the CCP Award, Palace the Swing. For this show, she choreographs Muybridge Frames, which is a very, very avant-garde piece of work, which I will see at the show. And then we have Adam Sage, teacher and choreographer. He founded the Missouri Ballet Theater. He was the artistic director after performing, teaching, coaching, choreographing with a career spanning 3 decades. He became the principal dancer for the Hong Kong Ballet Philippines and the National Company of Botswana in South Africa. His connection to the Philippines brought him back to the country where he became the first director for Ballet Philippines. For this show, he choreographs Rita's Pulse. And then we have from Taiwan, Kun Young Ling, executive director and founder of China, is that correct? Did I say it right? Claims dance as his first language, despite the very languages he is learned to speak. Extensively trained in various fields of Eastern movements such as Tai Chi, Qigong, calligraphy, meditation, and Chinese opera movements. This broad range of movements are incorporated in these pieces, which you will see also. It's entitled Moon. And then last, we have Carlo Pasis, a former senior soloist at the Hong Kong Ballet, a recipient of the Hong Kong Dance Alliance for Technical Artistry. He is a multi-awarded choreographer whose works for Ballet Philippines under Alice Reyes again were cited as Gala Buhay Awards for outstanding modern dance productions. He was commissioned choreographer for the Genève International Ballet competition, which was held in Hong Kong in 2018.